We have given set B, which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have statement. This symbol means there exists, so let me write this, there exists X and this symbol is for all Y. So let me read this now. Where exists X belongs to B for all Y belongs to B such that X cube is less than Y plus 1. So let's see. If X equals 0 equals 1, then every Y we can choose 1, 2, 3, 4. We choose Y from B set. Are all solutions to, and we will have 1 to third power will be still 1 is less than, and when we put 1 will be 1 plus 1 is 2, is 1 is less than 2. When we put for y0 2, we will have 2 plus 1 is 3, is greater than 1. When we put 3 for y0, we will have 3 plus 1 is 4, is greater than 1. And when we put y0 equals 4, so we have 4 plus 1 is 5, is greater than 1. So for all y, this inequality is true. So this statement is true.